So here we've got the PX1700 control panel. So the first setting over here is the squeeze time. The next setting here we have is the slope up time. Then we have the weld time. This is the power adjustment, the number of pulses, the cool time between the number of pulses, the hold time, and then the pause time. To make adjustments, it's really simple. We select which parameter we want to change. So say we want to alter the weld time. We just press the down button to bring it down, or the up button to take it up, and then we can move to the next parameter. As we said before, this is the power adjustment, so we can turn that up. And the number of pulses, maximum number of pulses is 10 that we can have per cycle. The cooling time between each pulse, and then we would just start the weld.